Hi there. Today, I want to walk you through collecting subscriber information using CalGet. It's super helpful when you're planning events or managing calendars. It keeps you connected with everyone who's interested in your schedule. Ready to check it out? All right, first things first. Hop into your CalGet account. Look over to the left side of your screen and you'll spot the calendars menu. Just click that to see all your calendars laid out. Next up, pick the calendar you want to gather information from. When you open it up, you'll see this really neat dashboard showing all your calendar details. Things like event names, dates, all that good stuff. Look toward the top and you'll spot a subscribers tab. Go ahead and give that a click. Right off the bat, you can see some basic stuff about your subscribers. Which calendar app they're using, where they're from, when they jumped on board. Pretty cool, right? But hey, what if you need a bit more info, like how to reach them? No worries. There's a super easy fix. Just flip on that Collect Personal Information toggle. This lets you whip up a quick form. The basics are already there. Name and email address. If that's all you need, awesome. Just hit save and you're good to go. But maybe you want to know a little more, like their phone number or how they found out about you. Easy peasy. Just tap that custom field button and add whatever you need. Once everything looks good, save it all and boom. From now on, anyone who subscribes will fill out your custom form. Want to see how it works? I'll show you real quick. I'm heading over to my calendar's public page to subscribe. See that? It's asking me to fill out the form before I can subscribe. Let me just pop in my details, hit subscribe, and there we go. All set. After a quick refresh, check it out. There's my new subscriber with all their details. Pretty handy way to keep tabs on who's joining and what they're sharing with you. Need to do some subscriber housekeeping? Super simple. You can block anyone if you need to by clicking their profile. And if you want to crunch those numbers elsewhere, just export everything to a CSV with one click. Couldn't be easier. And there you have it. That's all there is to collecting and managing subscriber info in CalGet. Pretty straightforward, right? Thanks so much for watching and have fun organizing with CalGet.